happening? I hope everyone's doing fine. I'm super excited and I'm back. Yes, back with a vlog. How my track bar setup is, but I should show you guys the cruise control which is the most important feature of this motorcycle, and you guys will be like, what? Cruise control on an Interceptor 650? How did that happen? It's gonna be a very common thing which has happened with my past bikes also. Basically my throttle cable is jam, the returning cable is kind of jam. So for example, if I do this, now it's going back, but if I hold it, it's very tough that it comes back. I'll show you guys, I'll do a live demonstration. And there were a lot of queries about the drag bar. Why did you remove it? And I'll explain all that on the way now. So let's go on the road and ride this beast. What is up YouTube? How is everyone doing? I'm so sorry guys, I did not vlog for nearly 9 to 10 days. Besides that, I got a lot of messages about my drag bar, new GoPro mic. Finally it's working. I'm like super excited, and I should really thank Kiran for giving me this solution. It really worked. So I did put a lot of WD-40 near the throttle body to actually make it functional. The thing is, it was jammed so bad, so the returning cable actually gets stuck and it became complete cruise control for my motorcycle, which is a bit dangerous. And I'm sure people who have old school motorcycles must have experienced that. I had a fantastic ride plan and everything was ready. In fact, in this vlog you will see the luggage system which has just arrived, was gonna be my traveling partner. Everything was planned, but due to COVID situation, I am not going for such a long travel. I mean, I can go to one state which I am planning and stay there. Anyways, for straight runs I always prefer staying at one place for a longer time nowadays. I don't want to do straight runs just reaching there and passing by. So that's the main reason I'm stuck. I've spoken to one of my friends who has reached the destination, that let me know if I can come to your state itself and stay there for 10-15 days and explore more. In the drag bars, yes, they are back, and the reason I keep doing this on and off system on my motorcycle is when I'm touring, like if I'm actually planning long rides, I prefer the upright position, right? And when I'm just doing city scrambling or doing cafe to cafe or weekend rides, drag bar is decent enough. It already has a riser, so it's not that it's in a very aggressive position. And how is my bike performing? Oh, mwah. I love it and it's pretty good. So today's vlog will consist of some boxes arrived at home. Basically ये सारा situation चल रहा था मेरी लाइफ में, जिसकी वजह से मैंने काफ़ी दिन vlog भी नहीं किया. And I was like, चलो I'll vlog today. There were a few people like, hey, hope everything is fine. So I thought today, now that my mic is fixed, let's pick up the GoPro, let's pick up the bike and take a small spin, talk to you guys, start the vlog and show some love guys. If you all do that, vlogs will be regular. I did keep a poll. I did keep a poll on my Instagram that do you guys want subjective videos or you all want regular vlogs. So guess what, 80% were regular vlogs. So I felt a little good about that. I said okay, let's start this again, and अगर आप लोग का प्यार होगा तो ही चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेगी. So this time the helmet mount is super tight. उसके बारे में हम ज़रूर बात करेंगे, but first let me show you the boxes what I've received. The two boxes I've received, right? One is from Rhinox, one is from Royal Enfield. The Royal Enfield one is also very unique. This is a box from Rhinox which we will unbox, okay? But Yeah, so I'm not going on for some world war, but हमें military box मिला है. Definitely this is great Atechi, and इसको unbox करते हैं. There is a code which they have shared, which will open the lock. This is a really cool way of giving something, and ये Atechi को हमारे studio में use किया जाएगा with some good props and lights. Okay, so we have the Rhinox box, and actually मुझे already पता है क्या है. I've done a video on this. People love the idea. This is the luggage system for Interceptor 650. But these are the new nomads. मेरे राइड्स क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं? सब लोग जानते हैं कोविड का सिचुएशन क्या चल रहा है. तो I'll do a quick unboxing. मेरा राइड प्लान का सीन बहुत सिंपल था. राइड प्लान was on. In fact, one of my friend has already reached north. एंड सीन ये है कि कोविड के चक्कर में हर 3 दिन में टेस्ट कराना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम क्रॉसिंग अ स्टेट एंड 72 आवर्स का मैंने टेस्ट कराया है, आई हैव टू अगेन डू इट इन 3 days. सो ट्रैवलिंग इज गोना बी लिटिल क्रूशल. हाँ, इस बार की अनबॉक्सिंग बहुत वियर्ड है. लुक्स, यस, दे हैव न्यू रिफ्लेक्टर्स, न्यू लोगो. मेरे पुराने बैग पे नहीं था, सो वो सब हम बाद में बात करेंगे. अभी फिलहाल ये लॉक है, इसका कोड दे हैव शेयर्ड विद अस, एंड मिलिट्री ग्रेड अटेची. दाएं मुड़, बाएं मुड़. सो दिस इज व्हाट is in the box. This is a riding jacket which is in collaboration with Nox. Nox is one of the best level 2 CE certified armors. I got some knee guards. You know guys, off-road के लिए मेरे पास knee guards थे नहीं. Finally I have it. I don't need to wear riding pants because these are with the shin protectors, and this is definitely gonna rock. Royal Enfield, this is gonna be fantastic. So these are the Nox knee protectors. By the way, they are seamless. As you can see, they have a very nice carbon fiber finish, and कोई seam नहीं है. So that's really nice. Quite light. That's the best part. So off-roading के लिए ये बहुत काम आने वाला है. Level 2 और क्या चाहिए? I don't have any knee protectors like these, so that's really good. Nox certified gloves. And अब हम वापस zoom की रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, which are very light, and this is Nox SPS armors, which is basically sliders also, as you can see. So whenever we take a fall, these sliders will be very helpful. Very light, perforated leather, I guess. Yes, it's got nice breathing leather, good suede use, certain patches like a reinforcement. So looks really nice, and I am super excited. ये था हमारे बॉक्स में, और अब ये बॉक्स है पूरा खाली, as you can see. And अब इसको हम properly plan करेंगे, and I think my regular riding gear should be kept in this, which will be all dirt related. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Trying to be regular. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. See you with a new one.